doing? How you doing today? Kai, I love you. You are so cute. Yes, you are. You're a chunky baby. You're a chunky baby. You're chunky.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop on and talk about the importance of not having a bunch of smelly scents on you when you're breastfeeding. The baby uses smell as one of the many senses that he uses to locate your nipple. And so if you have a bunch of smells all over it, those Victoria's Secret lotions, all those strong fragrant perfumes, any funny smelling things, it causes the baby to have difficulty latching. Always clean off your nipples after each. Signs that are used to break down food are in your baby's mouth, essentially everyone's. If you don't wash off this bacteria, it festers and forms new bacteria, which turns up in your baby's mouth as thrush or candida yeast. I hope I'm saying that right. From me and Kai, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and comment. Commenting is so important, guys. Please comment and tell me what you guys want to see next. Also, share the videos. Sharing them helps them get out to other moms who need this information. And also subscribe, guys, because you're the reason that I'm here. I wouldn't do this if it wasn't